Have you ever heard of earning even up to $2,000 per 30 minutes? Yeah, that's right, that's true. Stay tuned and I will show you how. Hi, my name is Agnes Glogowska and I am here to help the starting online entrepreneurs with their new journey. Today I will show you a brilliant website thanks to which you can actually earn to read and to use your voice. Voices.com is a very well worldwide known website for doing voiceovers for big companies. It's a very massive company that actually is doing very well. I checked their statistics on Glassdoor and actually they have reasonable average of 3.7 stars. They are mostly recommended. The people who are working for voices.com would recommend that services, that platform to their friends. And I would say that most of those people who work for voices.com, they are delighted, but not all of them, and I will show you in a second why they may not be not so positive about voices.com. Furthermore, to register is pretty much easy and straightforward, and that's the look of the interface. It's basically your central page. So here I just created my own profile, so here it's just brand new, only created, but basically I added that I created profile for voiceovers and some translations from English to German and from English, let's say, to Polish. Definitely what you must do, you must add some samples of your work, so probably other people can see one sample per portfolio, at least one, so probably more samples is recommended, probably the more the better. And here is, you have already some public invites, so you can have a look at some jobs that are currently advertised, and the prices are pretty much fine. As you see, let's say this one, 40 seconds. Each vendor has different requirements. Some are looking for mostly English, USA kind of accent, which of course not everyone will qualify for that job. Like, I am not the native English speaker and I don't come from North America, so definitely my accent is not American accent. So you have to take into consideration the fact that not every job you may qualify to apply for it, plus requirements for each job as well. Some of them are very well paid. I know in this situation probably American and native English speakers of English are in privilege in this situation here, because to be honest, there is the biggest number of audiobooks in English, and it's with American accent, because it's the most popular kind of accent. There are some other accents as well, and when you be uploading your sample work, you need to let's say give example, you need to provide whether it is audiobook, business, documentaries, some educational file, and what kind of language you use. Yeah, that's English, Polish, let's say English, but what type of English? If it's English, you see, if it's American English, British, Irish, Scottish, so there are different accents here which you can choose from. Styles, let's say, what kind of style is it? Aggressive, aged, angry, animated. So there are different approaches that you can use for your voiceovers and the voice age as well. So it's middle age, young adult, teenager, senior, or a child. And so that's the sample of how you upload the sample of your work. And I imagine it's the same way when the jobs are posted. That's what they require. Another problem which I find that puts off a lot of people from starting on voices.com is the fact that, let's say, when you press reply to job, you face that situation. Basically, you can't skip that part. You can't go and apply for those jobs being a guest, so having a free membership. You must basically upgrade and have the premium membership to be able to apply for jobs, and otherwise you are probably not noticed. You have your portfolio there, but nobody can see that portfolio because you are not featured anywhere, and you cannot show off the samples of your work in front of others when you apply for different jobs. So that's the backside of voices.com. That's to really start making some money, you must pay the annual fee, which is $500, which I guess you will get the money returned in no time when you start using voices.com, because you can get that money easily just by doing 1 or maybe 2 gigs. Definitely that money can be returned very easily, so only it's matter of 1 or 2, maybe 3 gigs to have them done on Voices. And as I said, yes, people with American accents are in privilege here on voices.com because that's what mostly the vendors are looking for. However, I have a solution for not native speakers of English who want to as well make money on voices.com, and for those who want to save a lot of time doing the work. There is a brilliant software. It's called Talkia. And the link is in the description. And this software can basically help you to have your job done in a couple of seconds. All you need to do is put the script here inside and choose what you prefer, what gender, male or female. And here from the drop down menu you have different options to choose from. You have United Kingdom, adult, German, then India as well. You have different accents. Another United Kingdom, Julia, so female accent, like we are checking the female ones. Here you have United States, so there are a couple of voiceovers, of types of voiceovers with different accents and probably different styles to choose. Here you have something here. Okay, they are standard here. Yeah, whatever you find the best for that required gig, you choose from here, and you set the speed, normal or slow or fast, and then you have it done literally. Then you press export, save and export, and your job is done, and you can upload on voices.com for so it's basically that fast, I guess, if you provide the sample of the gig. I just wanted to share with you this awesome website, how you can make money, and please don't be discouraged that it's mostly in favor of American native speakers, but you can do other jobs like translations as well, because you can see there are jobs available for translations. Like I set up my profile that I can do translations from English to Polish and from English to German, let's say. That's a brilliant way of earning some good money and creating even your full-time income for the whole year. So if you like what you've seen today, please hit the like and subscribe button, as it will help to grow the channel and will help other people like you to find some solutions how to proceed with their life and how to start their own online business. And here I mentioned a great type of starting your online business. However, for me there is still number one, affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, please go to my channel and find the video about affiliate marketing. And if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing the right way, please click the links in the description where you can find the full free course about affiliate marketing and the free blueprint that describes the 7 secret steps to become a top affiliate marketer. I hope you enjoyed that video, and thanks for watching. See you next time.